In a world of distractions, finding meaning is vital. We seek purpose, not just pleasure. How do we achieve this? It's about aligning actions with values. Sustainable living is key. It's about respecting our planet, ensuring a future for generations to come. This requires conscious choices, a shift in perspective. This is where Stoicism can guide us. This ancient philosophy offers timeless wisdom. It teaches us to focus on what we can control, our minds and our actions. By embracing Stoic principles, we can live more meaningfully and sustainably. We can find contentment in a chaotic world. Stoicism emphasizes mindfulness, being present in each moment. We let go of anxieties about the past or future. We appreciate what we have, not what we lack. Simplicity is another key principle. We learn to detach from material possessions. We find joy in experiences, in connection with nature and others. Resilience is crucial in the face of challenges. Stoicism teaches us to accept what we cannot change. We learn to adapt and grow from adversity, emerging stronger. These principles are interconnected, forming a framework for a fulfilling life. They guide us towards mindful consumption, gratitude, and inner peace. How do Stoic principles translate into sustainable practices? Mindfulness encourages conscious consumption. We ask ourselves, do I truly need this? What impact does this purchase have? Simplicity leads to less waste. We value quality over quantity, repairing and reusing items instead of constantly replacing them. We appreciate experiences over possessions. Resilience helps us adapt to a changing world. We embrace sustainable solutions like renewable energy and plant-based diets. We become part of the solution, not the problem. By incorporating these practices, we lessen our environmental footprint. We contribute to a healthier planet, aligning our actions with our values. Stoicism is not about grand gestures. It's about finding meaning in the everyday. It's choosing a reusable coffee cup instead of a disposable one. It's taking a walk in nature and appreciating its beauty. It's being grateful for a simple meal shared with loved ones. It's about focusing on what truly matters, connection, purpose, and living in harmony with the world around us. Stoicism offers a path to a more meaningful and sustainable existence. It's a journey of continuous learning and growth, leading to a life of purpose and fulfillment.